Yeah, that face is gonna fit like. See the face.
Like whose face like that?
Yeah.
You're so clean. So in today's video, we are going to be doing the Warhead challenge. Yo, the bag's half empty though because we gave some of it away. Don't mind our appearance right now. Ziggy wants us to come on camera in our natural state because this is how we are right now. He doesn't want all of our videos to look perfect. But anyways, as you guys may know, right now I'm in Jamaica, just at home chilling, cooling. I'm hot as ever. And
we're up on the floor.
We were on the floor, yes. Yo, we struggled for a good 10 minutes to try to find a backdrop type of place to film the video, and it just didn't work. We ended up on the floor, so we're filming on the floor. So we're gonna see who can put the most in their mouth without spitting it out. Why you don't pick out the good ones?
No, man, I take every color.
One of each?
One of each.
No, but we're gonna see who can put the most in their mouth. So
alright, how much there?
Just come.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 16. 22.
Okay, let's go. So, we're gonna see who can keep in their mouth the longest.
Yo, you know what we should have checked right in front of the seriously, like.
Let's go for the blue one.
Oh god, yo, seriously, too, it's not so ice.
Let me see what flavor you have. You have blueberry raspberry. I have black cherry. Ew, I took black cherry.
So if you keep in a mouth just the
Let's see who can keep it the longest.
Or if it choppy.
No, just keep in your mouth. Let's see who's gonna be the first person to spit it out. My mouth's already watering. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. See, I knew you were gonna do that.
So that's watch me.
No, okay, just do on 3.
No.
Don't cheat.
So
seriously.
Why has made me say you know?
Because I knew you were gonna chooks.
Then suppose me put in what you want to say.
Okay, for real.
Alright.
1, no, Ziggy, for real. 1, 2, 3. You're not gonna drop it. I know you. You know I. I'm being dead ass serious. 1,
2, 3.
Okay, wait. No, maybe we should open like 3.
I'm gonna taste this in there. Yo.
Yeah, right. Listen what you can hold. Who you giving that to? I don't want no more. That's sour. Okay, wait, no.
This gets sweet.
Let me see your teeth. Your teeth are blue.
Let me see that.
That's it. No.
Good. The fuck? Hold it.
Hey, push on the back of my tongue.
No.
Let me open it for you. Let's see if we can hold like 3 in your mouth. Open 3.
Yo. Shit's sour though.
Sour on a different level. You push on the back of my tongue.
God bye. So bad, eh?
Yo, this is pure evil. We gave it to the kids.
Yo, right now you can like growing so stiff.
Yo,
like,
we're gonna put 3 in our mouth. Whoever keeps it in, whoever spits it out first has to do 20 push-ups. Here, I have 2 to 3 yellow.
So a treat.
And the worst thing is we have no water.
What have to do?
Fucking sourness. One, two, 3.
Ano pit pa kami? Yeah.
You drool on me just now.
Do it.
You drool. It's leaking on my leg. Give me tissue.
What?
The drool. You drool on me. It's leaking. Yes. Ah.
What? Right?
Wait, no. Go. Right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Move it.
Your hand. Hey, we got the same colors. Say your prayer for a tongue. 1, 2, 3.
Yo,
I'm anticipating it.
Okay. I'm trying to make you feel scared, like.
Yeah. Keep your mouth closed. Don't spit it out. That's 6 in your mouth. Is it your Red Bull?
You're single like guy, but I'm with my lip.
Yeah. Don't burn them.
Thank you. Come. Come, my girl. Come, my girl. Say like a doctor or dentist.
Don't push on the back of my tongue.
No. Chill. Relax. The fuck?
Say on third lock it up. Give me 2 fibers.
You want to pit for me and you?
Oh wait.
So why would he held it in my mouth.
So you just hold in a mouth too.
Say bye.
Bye.
You have to come so they can see your face. Say bye.
Bye.
So guys, that is the end of the challenge. That challenge was the biggest fail in life. My tongue is burning. My tongue feels scorched. Anyways guys, we are out eating. I look like a hot mess right now.